Get acquainted with the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy the adventure with confidence in the Compass. It offers the perfect blend of SUV versatility and state-of-the-art safety technology. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, multi-zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, rear spoiler, stability control. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.